So yeah, YieldMax ULTY released their numbers yesterday as so far as the distributions go, and it was really nice because again, for the one, two, three, four, fifth week in a row, it was over 10 cents, and it was actually a slight bit of an increase on what it was last week. Uh, which is, yeah, good. So they are paying out a very healthy distribution uh, over the last month and a half almost. So let's hope this continues. As you guys, if you guys have watched the previous video, actually, as you guys know, I have about 60 shares now in Alti. So I just decided to dip my toe into the water and not totally go berserk like some people who have decided that, oh, I'm going to put a couple 100,000 euros in this. I obviously don't have that amount of money, not anywhere close to that. But yeah, it's making me a couple bucks now. Almost one share what's its name, a week. So I am looking forward to this distribution, which will give me 61 shares and to any further distributions. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Alti, it is the YieldMax Ultra High Yield Option Income Strategy with a whopping, well, distribution rate. Some people call this a dividend rate of 85.9% a year. Was higher previously, but it's gone down since they changed it since the inception of the fund. What it basically is a fund of covered calls, collars, and protected puts on extremely volatile stocks. Uh, that have high. Let's just scroll down to there. And I'll tell you what is the tickers. So things like Applied Materials, AppLovin, I think PLTR is in there, SMCI. So basically, they take out covered calls on already held positions and try to maximize them for some sort of premium that they can then return to the actual shareholders of the fund. And then you get a portion of your own money returned as well. So I think last time, what was just scroll back all the way up here. Sorry about that. So last week was a 40.76% return of your own capital, and the other 60% was income. This is actually pretty nice, actually. So 4 cents of your own money back, 6 cents of new money that you can then go and drip into it and purchase shares again, which is exactly what I've been doing. I think I started out with 58 shares or something like that. 50, yeah, 57 or 58 shares. Not looking at my other PC right now or the spreadsheets. But yeah, and it's been dripping now for 5 weeks. So I think I am sitting pretty. And this should actually, well, it looks like pay for itself within a year. And anything above uh the uh the distributions after a year, well, that's pretty much profit as so far as I'm concerned. I mean, I'm not making a killing. $6 a week isn't anything to write home to mom about, but it is what it is. It pays for any trades I still have in options, any contracts that I sell and then have to pay to Mr. Schwab or whoever that may be. And yeah, but if I look over past distributions since the weekly started up, which was, I think it was in late March, then this thing has stayed pretty stable. I mean, it was making 9, 8 cents, 8 cents, 9, 8 cents, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's gone between that range. So I'm quite happy. But again, not financial advice to invest into this thing, even as ULT, ULTY YieldMax guys put it, that investing in the fund involves a high degree of risk. Why? Because these are extremely volatile companies, and even if your protected put actually ends up saving you, it might not stop the drop that you've been trying to hedge against from actually losing you money. And the covered call actually caps you on, or collar as it may be, that they're working on with the protected put, caps you from making money. Someone screamed at me today on a previous video and I made, that like, it's no problem to cap yourself, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's no problem, but you know, I'd like to make some money, and I'd like to make more money than I intend to make. Uh, if this is the kind of strategy I want to go into, then fine. I know what I'm getting into. You don't have to tell me, oh, it's fine that your money is capped or something like that. Yeah, I my mom. I don't need a lecture, and we're all adults here, and as long as we read the prospectus and we know what we're getting into, is what it is. Anyway, guys, I'd like to ask you to like and subscribe my videos. It would be nice if you commented on them, and yeah, I could hear more from you guys, as long as it's not a, you know, lecture of whatever. Y- just calm and breathe and do some yoga, maybe, if you can, or not. Anyway, guys, see you later, and have some fun playing around with Ulti and anything else you're doing.